What is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, special video for you guys here today. Check this out. We are here in Sterling. We just left the Chick-fil-A, and I'm trying to get to somebody's house, and we are going to let FSD drive the entire drive here. So yeah, a nighttime video for you all here today, which is not often, but you know, we got a light show coming up here in Frederick, Maryland soon, so be sure to show up if you can, because it's going to be a really fun time, and that's when things get fun. It's going to be around this time, but you know, it really starts, the show's going to start at 6, so try to get there early, you know, because of the traffic and whatnot, but at the same time, you know, looking forward to as many people that can show up as possible. Should be a lot of fun. And you know, here we go again. Like, I would have taken this way because I don't want to get off Fairfax County Parkway for no reason right now. And there we go. Of course, FSD is like, wait, no, I know a faster route, and it takes Fairfax County Parkway. It's so funny. But yeah, we're just doing a quick FSD test. I'm actually looking to stump it more than anything. So let's do that. You know, our goal is to try to stump the computer. But you know, at this point, it's like, you know, who wants to try to do that? It's probably not the best idea. So really nice job with the turn here. Here we go. FSD doing its thing. And yeah, shout out to the Tesla Autopilot team always, because you know, look at this, the way that it's merging right now. It did a really good job, actually. Not bad at all. And I'm really starting to get used to having my vector space be glancing down instead of having to look up. But at the same time, I do look up, right? But at the same time, I do look down now too, instead of just glancing underneath the steering wheel, which is something that I would always do as a driver, you know? But now that the car drives like really well, and better than really well, I don't know if this is end-to-end on the highway right now, but this is not really considered highway. This is attention monitoring, unavailable, low illumination. No, we got a nag! Die! I don't like nags anymore, but you know what? I'm still accustomed to it. Because at the same time, it's like they're just registered in my brain, and I know how to do them. And I sometimes, when the car is like about to make a turn, I just hit the nag sometimes, just cause. Excuse me, just cause. That, you know, that's what I remember. Yeah. Anyway, so excuse me. Oh my gosh, there we go with the nag again. Shoot. So yeah, FSD definitely doing its thing. It is keeping up here with no problem, and I'm about to take an exit here soon, I would assume. Wait, where is it taking me? Oh my gosh, all the way to Sunrise Valley. Oh, you know what? I would have taken 15 different ways to the destination that I'm trying to go. But FSD wants to do its own thing, and I can't keep up with what it's trying to do. So, yeah, FSD is really on a whole nother level when it comes to driving. I'm not even really sure what end-to-end is going to make how much of a difference, but it's not like it's doing bad now, is what I'm trying to say. But I get, you know, end-to-end is like, pretty much the way I understand it is the information that's coming in, and it will then, you know, which is from the cameras, right? It's using the cameras to take information in, and then it uses that information to detect its surroundings and drive, and it does a really good job about that. And how? Who knows? It's just the Autopilot team really knows. It's magic, I would say. That's a better word, because it's incredible, man. The way this works is, and the one thing that I need to really outline, because it's 2024. And a lot of people think that Autopilot works like FSD works. And why? I don't know. Okay, because why did my indicator was just on right there? I don't know either. But at the same time, FSD, man, I don't know how people don't realize that's not the same thing. Autopilot and FSD is not the same thing. You know, as soon as you believe that that's the same thing, then you are up for a real loss in your life. That if you think you know, Autopilot and FSD is the same thing, it's not. You know, there's so much difference, and I'm not gonna sit here and try to make $99 worth it to you, because I know $99 is hard to get, it's hard to come by. But if you do get it, I will tell you that you will not be disappointed with what the $99 gets you. Okay? But now, if you're gonna spend $99, I think that the better spend is the yearly subscription, right? That's not bad for $99. Okay, but FSD for $99 a month. Now check this out. This, how do I put it? Drives better than you. You know, even though I understand everyone believes that they're a great driver, and they should. Because as long as you can make it to your destination, you're a great driver. But at the same time, you don't have eyes on the back of your head, do you? Do you have, you know what I'm saying? Like, at this point, like, FSD has not only proved itself, it's proved itself to millions by driving billions of miles with the combination of so many Teslas just building, you know, just... So, yeah. Anyways, shout out to the Autopilot team, always doing their thing, just shooting out updates on time, constantly. I can't begin to describe the type of workflow that happens at Tesla compared to other companies. But, you know, shout out to a lot of other companies too. You know, it's not like Tesla's the only ones doing it. You know, come to Northern Virginia, you'll see that they are a small piece of the puzzle, you know. But at the same time, Reston is my favorite area in all of DMV. Reston and Tyson's. Honestly, I really like Reston a lot. Actually, that was my earliest memories were up in Reston, so I like Reston a lot. Reston Town Center, I still remember when it was just a fountain. That's how far back my memory goes, so I don't know who else is watching this. Maybe remembers pre-fountain, but I just remember fountain. And now what it is, last time I went there, I saw like 5 Cybertrucks in Reston Town Center. I was like, what is going on? It's ridiculous over there. They have a car in, like, hanging out the building on one side on Sunrise Valley, I think. One of these. Sunset Plaza, maybe. Sunset Hills, I think. That's the one. Alright, we're looking to make a right here. Yeah. And we got a green light, so thank you for watching this video. You know, this was definitely a fun one to shoot. But at the same time, be safe out there. Because look at this, it got very close to the curve. But at the same time, you got to get used to that, because it didn't touch anything. But at the same time, yeah, I think it can get a little bit better. So 12.6 coming soon? Who knows? But this 12.5 is just killing it. Yeah. So I want to thank everyone for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This was a super fun one to shoot. And yeah, drive smooth. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.